What's up, guys? I'm Henry from Santa Clarita Auto Sound, and we got this Pioneer DMH-WT3800NEX. It's a brand new model from Pioneer. It's a 9-inch floating screen with wireless Apple CarPlay and wireless Android Auto. We're gonna do an unboxing so you guys can check out what's inside the box. So this here is the main power wire harness for the radio. So this hooks up to the power and the speakers. We also have the RCA connections where you can connect the amplifier RCAs, also backup camera and front camera as well. We also got the GPS antenna for the Apple CarPlay and Android Auto signal, so it can enhance the Apple CarPlay portion of it. There's the microphone. It also has a USB connection for to connect your phone via the iPhone cable or the Android cable too. So it does also wired Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. We also have the brackets to hold the floating radio to the actual stereo itself, which is really helpful. You can adjust it up and down so it can fit perfectly depending on what kind of car you have. And also we have the screws to mount everything and hold everything in place. It also comes with the manual. It's a quick startup guide and the warranty card too, but you can also download the manual from Pioneer's website. So this here is the actual radio that mounts onto the car itself, and then the screen would mount here. And this is really cool because it's a single DIN and it fits a lot of different cars, so it's very versatile. And this is the screen here. It's a really cool 9-inch screen. It's actually high definition, so it has a very good picture quality, and this is the back of it. It has a cover, so once you mount it, you can put the cover on so it looks very nice. So we have this radio on special on our website. Use the code YT to get a special discount, and if you're in the area, come by to the experts. That's Santa Clarita Auto Sound.